Hey, this is Chadwick again. You can visit my YouTube channel at CCHADWICKA, and then it'll say search for Chadwick, and you press search instead for C Chadwicka. So those are my YouTube channels. I know this is what I use to broadcast on YouTube to record my videos. I have a video up, and it has a link to download a file that's about 140 megabytes. It's got several hundred scripts in it, whether it be console scripts or DicebotX scripts. Um, and then there's a couple of iMacros that are .iim, and you'll need this iMacros for that. This is Coinbot. Coinbot is another one of my gambling tools, and it hook up with free Bitco, free Doge, or 999 Dice, which is my favorite site. That guy is Jake, and he'll respond to you if you send him a message. That's what I wanted to show you. This is my setup today, and I've been experimenting with different types of scripts. That's one of those scripts that comes in that file on my other YouTube page. And so I started out about 15 minutes ago with 3,300. I've got 3,519 now. And if you notice, I'm running the base bet at 0.01. And what I should really do is do that 0.001 just to be safe, but I'm not too worried about it. It's like $10 or $15, so I put $10 and I'm just gonna let it ride tonight. Really cool stuff for you guys today. I do a Steam thing, and Quake 4 multiplayer is pretty cool. I recommend CCleaner. It's a good thing to keep your PC up to speed. So if you'll just sign up here at 999dice.com, and you can use Bitcoin, Doge, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Monero on this site, 999dice. And I think you'll find it's pretty cool. And if you can get out early enough, it's pretty good. You probably could make some money. Here's the chat channel, and let's see what they say there. Those guys are pretty cool. 2 days ago, I started out with 500 Doge, and I made got over to 9,000. And then today, I started out with about 3,000 to 3,200. I bought some Bitcoins on local Bitcoins.com, which is where I think is a good place for you to buy Bitcoin. Another good place is Paxful. And I know that on Paxful there's an option to buy with the American Express Bluebird card, and that is pretty cheap. It's one of the best offers on the net, actually, as far as the Bitcoin for. So, as you saw over there, they were selling for 6,000 through PayPal. You can get it through $7,019, $25 and $73, and it's held in escrow. So when you initiate the trade, you click buy, the amount of Bitcoin is subtracted from the seller's account, and after you confirm payment, the seller can release the Bitcoins, but they're not in his possession if you initiate a trade. So third-party mediation and dispute mediation is available on localbitcoins.com. I've never had a problem with it. I buy from a guy named badguy_goodguy. He's always done it right. Good person. Here's Paxful, and Paxful is a pretty cool site. I'll show you. I have a list exactly going to put them on. I'll show you what this one looks like too. And you can go over here on the left, and you can see these different methods of payment that you can pay for your DTC with. I'm going to show you one of them. There's a Walmart to Walmart. Some other ones, Western Union. There are all kinds of different cards and things like that. So, pretty cool. Visa credit card. Blueberry American Express. Let's see there. I'm just selling for $7,483, which is not bad. Over here, I can get it for $100 cheaper on the Bitcoin, so it's a good deal. But I recommend good guy, bad guy, underscore good guy. He's cool and he's always done well. He's over 15,000 trades, over 500 Bitcoins been sold by him. So that's all I have for you today. Let's take one more peek at my program here, and you can notice the bets, the amount of places and stuff. And so 35, 32. So you guys, good luck. You can download DiceBot. If you just go search for DiceBot, DICEBOT. Come up with these results on Bing, and it's the Sejuntis, however you say that, Sejunti DiceBot, and there's a download link. And there's also a bunch of scripts, including the one that I'm using right now that you saw me running. And this is them and stuff. There's one called Spiritual 3. It's a good one. So anyway, you guys have a good day, and that's all I have for us today. If you want my scripts, I've got several hundred of them, and there is a link available in one of my other videos where you can download them. So thank you. Have a good day.